Hi everyone, we are going to review this product today, Precious Impressions. In this Precious Impression bucket, we just got two packets. One packet is it's a precious stone, and this is the precious gel. So there are total 3 steps involved in making this hand, the plastered hand. The 3 main steps are like make the precious mold, pouring the precious stone, and finishing your precious impression. So for the first step, we need the 7 cups of water. So we are going to pour the 7 cups in this bucket and add this ingredient in there and then mix it well. And once it turns pink, we have to put our hands immediately before it turns white. And we have to keep our hands inside for 2 minutes inside the bucket.
Oh, that was so awesome!